Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna vlog today. So I just got a package from Corset We to start off, and it is these two sweatband corsets. So I got the black one, and then I got this really nice green one. They stink. I hate the smell of new stuff. They came really fast. Like, it says that they came from Hong Kong, and they had sent it on, like, they contacted me on like Saturday, and we was going back and forth, and it actually came on Tuesday, but I had missed it. I had missed it on Tuesday, and then they didn't come on Wednesday, which was dumb, and then they came today. So yeah, but so I'm gonna do a review on it. I'm excited. I tried this one on. Oh my gosh, I had it on for 2 minutes, and it hurt like a bitch. But let me just show you guys. Let me show you guys what it looks like. The bathroom is a mess. A whole mess. But so this is what the green one looks like. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna get the other one on, because I have a big bum, so I don't really know how I'm gonna get that one on. But I think the way I'm gonna wear it, like, you know, I might wear this one working out. I know, because I won't be able to do any air workouts, so I'll wear the smaller one working out, and then this one like around the house and everything. But we shall see. So I'm just going to cook, because I haven't cooked in a few days. So I'm going to make some dirty rice. So I have my turkey meat, because we don't eat no red meat on these parts, honey. And then these veterans dirty rice mix. So that's what I'm gonna make for the day. I'm gonna make some tea, because I have to drink tea every day. That's really lighting. I have to drink tea like every day, all day. So I'm going to make some tea and then start this cooking. Okay, so when I make dirty rice, I don't use too much seasonings, because this comes like seasoned to the gods. So honestly, I'm just gonna use a little Lori's seasoning salt and call it a day. Really, that's all I'm gonna use, because I really don't even need that, honestly. But you know, just so the meat has a little something. Onion, fry the onion up first, then I'll do the hamburger, then the rice, well, the hamburger and the rice, and then I will combine them together. And not hamburger, turkey burger, what I'm gonna call it, ground turkey, the ground burger. Okay. So I have my green tea. I always drink green tea. I can honestly drink any type of green tea. I don't really care. As long as it's green tea, I'ma drink it. Trust me. Trust me, Zaddy. So I put a little bit of oil in the pan. I'm just going to saute the onions and then add the hamburger, because you don't want crunchy onions in your meal. Trust me, you don't. You do not want that. The rice. See all of these seasonings like bubbling up the top? Sheesh. And this is the final result. So you can eat it with other things, but I just like to eat it plain by itself. And I also like to add butter in it, because it is spicy and I don't like spicy food, but I like this. So when I put butter in it, it like takes away the spices a bit. So yeah, that's my meal made now.
It's LA weather right now.
My friend Shay.
Hi.
Shay Touche. So we're going to Sally's. It's gonna be my first time going there. So
We're gonna get me some wave.
yeah, go get some weave. We'll get her some clip-ins. It's the best way to do weave. Trust me. Oh my god, you can't even see the mountain. Like normally you could see it.
Yeah, it's a lot.
There's a lot of fog today. Here.
You got sale or anything on these motherfuckers?
Right? What?
Some hair mask.
This is this is $5.
Buy one get one free.
This size back home is like $16.
What?
Yes. Let me tell you, the prices in America is just like, Lord. Like, Lord mercy. I thought I was videotaping all that time, but I'm back home. My friend is just curling her hair and I am making clips. Her is two-toned. Never made clips with two different color hairs, but I'm gonna try. I feel like I know what I'm doing. Like I feel like it's gonna work. Like the idea I have, I think it's gonna work. So we're just gonna see, and yeah, I'll show you guys the finished look if it does work. So when I make my wafts, I always, well, when I make my clip-ins, I always double waft the hair. I always do double, just as thicker. This hair is actually kind of thin, so I might try to do three rows in the next one, but we'll see. But yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. Let's see. Focus. Okay, I don't want to focus on it. But you get the idea.